Good evening, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyacha from the land of the rising sun. I want to bring you the normal usual weekly analysis of forex, crypto, stock, indices, commodities, as the much I can. Before that, I want to let you know that you have my links on the description of this video. You can join my Telegram channel free of charge. I have 2 channels free of charge. And last week, I made a promise that if I get 1,000 views in a week, I will be giving signals at least 3 or 4 times a week. There's a difference between signal and the analysis. Signal is to tell you the precise area where to buy, stop loss, and take profit. But analysis is to give you the idea of what you will do. So it requires someone who has some knowledge to follow analysis. Then a total newbie will depend on signal. Okay, so now one thing again is that if you go to my YouTube channel, you know, this video will always be 40 minutes or more, even 1 hour. But if you go to my channel, this time around, my videos is segmented. Let me just open one to show what I mean. Once you come to my video, you click more. Once you click more, you can now maybe you don't have time to watch all the videos, all the analysis. You can jump to maybe you want to check yen pairs. You can jump to here. You can see JPPY, JPU 225 index, EURJPY, USDJPY, GBPJPY. You can jump to them, or you can see gold. You can jump to gold and silver, platinum, USOIL, S&P 500, and Bitcoin. So once you click on any of them, the video just jump there. Okay, you can see silver and gold is the same place. Once you drop, it take you there. So it saves your time. And secondly, maybe during the week, you want to take a second look, you can come and go to the area you want to check. So that's what I want to let you know. So now let's go back to the, and then remember, I also have students under me. I teach, I coach, I train, I mentor forex. If you want to learn from me, maybe you like my style and my idea, chat me up. My phone numbers is on the description of my videos. You always see it here. You can see my phone number here. You can see the link to join my Telegram group, another link, WhatsApp group, but I pay more attention to Telegram group than WhatsApp. So join the 2 groups. If you want to learn from me, you chat me up. This number is on WhatsApp and also on Telegram. You can call or text this to this number. Okay, let's go down to business. Let's go down to business. This week I covered a lot. I covered a lot from weekly, because why? We are at the month end, so we have to know what we expect next. So now you can see the weekly charts. This is impulse, this is correction. So now, can this be an A, B, C, then the new move? Or is this A, then A, B, C, then B, and the C to drop? So it's too early to say. Weeks back, I was expecting price to reverse from here before it closed above here. Since it doesn't reverse, if it have reversed, I'll be looking for a move towards this area, at least to get maybe a triangle. But since it breaks this top and almost break this, so maybe we might get a little move back and continue to go up. So let's see daily. daily. Okay, let me come back to the weekly to show you something on weekly. So weekly, you can see we have 1, 2, 3. So maybe 4 is developing, then 5. So why am I showing you this? That this up move have not finished. That's why I label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see, expect even if we have a deeper selling, it will not be now. Maybe towards the end of May, at least from 2 weeks of May, you might get a big sell. But for now, it's not time to sell DXY because where I expected the reversal to happen, it did not happen. So let's go down to daily. So daily, we expect from all this move from here 1, 2, 3. So expect 4, maybe down to 101 or maybe 100. So, but for now, the trend is bullish, but market doesn't move in a straight line. So expect some pullback, then we buy. So now, this is 4-hour chart. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is making 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is wave 3. Wave 4 can be shallow, which might end anywhere here, or it can give us a normal A, B, C. So in my opinion, we're gonna get this A, B, C. So let me go down to 2 hours. So in my opinion, we're gonna get this A, B, C, or even double zigzag, because the move has been much. When we have a move that has been much, sometimes the correction can take some time. So let's go to EURUSD. EURUSD is always the opposite of DXY. So I don't have much to explain there. But there's something this time around. Their chart, USD seems to finish the correction and ready to move back. But DXY is saying something different. So for this reason, it calls for caution. If this reversal we are expecting happens, then we're gonna get we will get a very big buy, which will likely give us this high. That's it. This is A, then A, B, C. Then this is B. So this is A, B, then C will give us this. But it failed to give us this. Maybe we still get a deeper move down. So for now, we need to be very careful because since DXY, the dollar index and USD goes opposite direction, you have to focus more on dollar index. Okay, so let's see daily. Okay, so we are seeing the daily. The daily chart suggests that at least this is a complete structure. Even if it will go down, we will get some move back. You can see W, X, Y, X, Z. Even if the wave Z will still go back, go down, we will have some move. I mean, that is, we will get some buy. Let's see 4 hours. So at least we can get some buy towards 1.06, 1.07, or it may come to this level, 1.08 or thereabouts. So For now, you better wait to know whether the selling will continue or not. But if the market opens, we get a strong buy that we close above this level, then it means that okay, let's proceed. USD cards. USD cards. The weekly charts, there's not much on weekly charts, but just after this impulse, we are correcting like A, B, C. So whether we reach go lower, it's too early to say. So let's go to daily. On daily, we haven't changed our opinion. We haven't changed our opinion. Opinion that we are going to get this move, okay, and it's going there. Are we going to get a reversal from here or correction? We will see that on 4 hours, but overall trend we are going here or even here. That's this big A, B, C, but at least the smaller one A, B, C first before this bigger one. So let's keep our eyes when price comes to 1.3, 1.32. Then we watch out for reversal, correction, of trend change. Okay. Okay. Now, USDCHF. USDCHF seems to have completed this ABC. You know, this is weekly charts. I'm showing weekly so that you will know what is happening on a longer time frame. Okay. So, but let's just go down to daily. So this is a perfect complete sequence. Now I'm expecting this to happen. Either this happens or at least we're gonna get an we will surely get something like this. See, even if it's going to go down to this level, then if it will continue to go up from here, it will now begin to go up again. Okay, so that is it. Let's see for 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 3. So with 4, we still with 4 to end around this level, 0.964, 0.9660 or lower. So when we get the first corrective wave, then we expect the second and third. For now, it's not time to buy USDCHF. Allow it to correct. If you get a good structure, a good A, B, C, then I will buy once more. Before now, we get a bigger A, B, C, or any structure it will give us. So let's move. Pounds USD. Let's go to weekly again. Pounds USD seems to have completed this. I mean, seems to be making a bigger ABC. You know, let me zoom the chart a bit. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 waves, and after 5 waves, we get 3 waves to the opposite direction. Now this is a good wave A. This is wave ABC, wave B, then wave C. Now the question is, this wave B, will it go lower? Will wave B go lower? That's the question we are trying to answer. The wave B we are looking at, will it go lower? Okay, so to answer this question, we need to see daily and the lower time frame to know what we are expecting. Now, from here, we can say that wave B, we see on weekly is yet to finish. So I'm looking for an A, B, C. Then it depends on how they move. If they are very strong and breaks this area, then forget about going down again. Secondly, we can just, this move can be the beginning of wave 1. In that case, if it move, it doesn't go below this, then it will be wave 1, 2, then buying continues. So let's go down to 4 hours. The lower we go, the clearer it becomes in our face. So this very move is an impulse move, which seems to be incomplete. Okay, we can get something like A, B, C, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before we get this. So, but I don't like to be ahead of the market. Let the market decide. By Monday, we will likely know whether we will get this or we get a sharp move. If you get a sharp move, then expect A, B, C, then sharp move. So here might be the end of selling that have started almost a year ago, or even more than. So keep your eyes watchful. Before you sell now, be very, very careful. Yeah. New Zealand, sorry, AUDUSD. AUDUSD, let's see weekly. I'm showing you weekly charts because we are at the end of the month and the beginning of a new trading month. So after this move, we are trying to get an A, B, C. So in my opinion, wave A is completed, wave B is somehow completed also. So we're expecting wave C to complete. So I'm expecting a little move up, then down. So maybe in months to come, we're gonna see AUDUSD to 0.66 price zone or lower. Okay, let's see daily. So the daily, nothing much to see here. Let's go to 4 hours. Daily don't have something tangible to show us. So 4 hours makes more sense. We see a complete A, B, C. So once you get this A, B, C, there is always things we have to have in mind. One, when double top will happen, it won't announce. When double pin bar will happen, it won't announce. So why am I saying this? This might look very strong. Market can open, it will go back. So it does happen all the time. No, I mean many times, not all the time, many times it does happen. You expect, oh, this trend is strong, it will continue, it will just turn and going to go up. That's why I made this arrow. This is the first bias. It has come since we are in this box. This also have completed. It can only extend. It can only extend. So the extension will likely not go below this level, 0.693, and between 0.70 to 0.69 is the area we are looking for it to reverse, if it have not reversed already. Okay, so that's it. Let's go to next, pounds USD. Sorry, New Zealand USD. Let's see weekly as well. Don't know if there is any good structure on the weekly. It's similar to AUDUSD, so no need to waste my time here. You can see almost the same thing on ABC that is not completed. So let's see daily. Almost the same thing. They are just like to win, like an identical to win. Okay, so 4 hours. The same thing. So no need wasting time here. Let's go to next pair. JP225. That is the Japan index. Let's start for weekly, like others. Okay, on the weekly, we have wave 1, sorry, wave A. Then wave B, either it has completed or it will still go up to complete. Then wave C. So it's still very far. So let's see daily. Daily has given us A, B, C already. So can this be W, then X, Y? Or can this be with 1, then A, B, C with 2? Then it keeps going up. I don't know. So you need to go to lower time frame, 4 hours, to see what you are expecting. Okay, 4 hours is the clearest of all the time frame we have seen so far. So whatever we are doing, we expect the price to come to this level. So 25,374 to 24,800 is where we expect buyers to reappear on this. Maybe after this move, a similar move like this will begin to occur. Okay, USDJPY. USDJPY is the next. Weekly again. Okay. What do we have here? we have an incomplete sequence. Okay, wave A, wave B, this is wave C. We expect it to at least come to this line at least. Enter this level, that is 143.4, 145, and I mean 142 to 146, where we expect it to complete this move. Okay, that's for weekly. Let's see daily. Okay, daily, the structure is not, there's nothing much to show here, but you can see this move is sharp. This move is sharp, so it indicates that the correction will be have started. Let me do it like that. Have started. So let's see it better on 4 hours. Remember what we saw on weekly, that the buying is not yet over. So on 4 hours, we can see a better view. Okay, this A have completed. This B must have completed, or this B can still do something like this. Don't forget, it can do something like this. It may make an A, B, C. Then make this move before this move. So with B, most of the time can be complex. And if you don't have experience on how to follow it, you become confused. Okay, so I'll show you this in case if such want to happen. If such want to happen, you won't get confused. Okay, so that's for EURJPY. The next USDJPY. USDJPY. Weekly. What do you have weekly? A very strong bullish move. Very strong bullish move. I think this is for how many years now? Okay, from 2011, the last high we have is in 2015. So the next high we're having now is this month end, 131 is the next high we get now. So what do we expect after this? What do we expect after this? Wow. You see, that's monthly charts. Okay, so let's go back to the weekly. So after this type of move, you expect a correction. The correction will need to be deep. At least I'm expecting the price to drop to 120. 120, or if it will be shallow, 124, 124.4. At least you're gonna see 124.4. But my expectation is 120. So let's go to daily. So on daily chart, So daily charts, you can see this is the third wave. Fourth wave is expected to drop to 124 or lower. So that's the only thing I can see on daily charts. So let's go down to 4 hours. In any case, let us keep our eyes here. Once this is broken properly, expect a correction and this move. So if here is broken, I'm expecting price to drop to, that's from not 124, I show you 124.4 area to 120 or 121. Unless it bounce back and go up again. In fact, I cannot buy USDJPY again. I cannot buy now. It's risky to buy now. Even if this moves higher, I'm not to buy now until I see reason to buy. Right now, I don't have any reason to buy USDJPY. That's all I can tell you for now. Pounds JPY. Let's check weekly. What do we have there? Weekly, we also have weekly, this selling have corrected in A, B, C. You can see it, and it turned at exactly 0.618 level. So at least once the market turns from this level, expect a standard reversal zone. Let me put it like that. A standard reversal zone. So it's turned at standard reversal zone. Now let's also go to daily. Okay, daily, this drop is strong. What next? This is an ideal A, B, C. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves. After that, 3 waves pull back. So let's check 4 hours. Now, 4 hours is very sweet to see. With 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 5th wave also gave us, in fact, this is a perfect wave count. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So it's the perfect wave count. And because of this, expect, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a perfect wave A. Then with B is always in 3 waves. But this seems to be, let me say, unusual with B. Or bear in mind, you can have this, yeah, which means A, B, C as wave B. Wave B is always 3 waves, but sometimes it will ignore 3 waves and make a single move. For instance, of course, this is a 3 waves in lower time frame. But this one seems to be a single. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. I don't prepare 1 hour chart today, but let me just go there. Okay, now this can be 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and 5. So if now let me elaborate. If we get this move like this, if we get this move like this, it means that 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, 5. It means this is wave A of B. Then it will be wave A of B. Then B will drop. That is B of B. Then we see similar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's wave C of B. And that time, this B will be here. You know, this is a lesson for students. Or at least take it free. Okay. So to learn more, you can join the students. If they are right, this one is free. The only way you can appreciate me is to share my video, make comments, like my video. Then if you want to get more, join my Telegram channel. We post today. I prepared the 51 charts. 51 charts have been posted on my Telegram channel. Anyway, to the students alone, I will post some to the free group, maybe 10 or 8 charts, but 51 charts have been posted to the premium group. The next chart. Okay, gold, almighty gold, my darling gold. Gold made a new high. You know, gold made a new high on so many currency pairs. But against dollar, it did not. If you check gold and euro, a new high. Gold and yen, a new high. Gold and pounds, a new high. Okay. So, but against dollar, it made a double top. In any case, and the total 3 waves move down. That is, gold will likely turn down to 1820, 1800, 1780, thereabout. We have seen the structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. So this can be wave A, B, C. So this wave B is somehow can be called the complex wave. Let me change discount. X. So we might get wave Y. In that case, we will see the price drop to as low as 1670 or even 1600. For now, let me leave it like this for now. Okay. Okay. So let's go to daily. So daily, you can see last week, I made a very elaborate analysis on gold. So all my members made money last week on gold. So you can see at least we are getting A, B, C. Know how. As we used to say in this part of the world, know how we're gonna get 1820, 1817, 1800. So let's see 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. There's 2 things we will note on 4 hours. Two things we have to note on 4 hours is this. 1, whenever market is correcting and you see when the market is correct and you see 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is automatically an A. So let me label it. So this move is A. Then B. Can this be the B of this move? To me, it's too, judging by this structure of the market, it's too shallow to be the B. And there looks to be one swing. See. Now, let me change the color. Now, as we are waiting for this big A, B, C to complete, it is forming another A, B, C inside the big C wave. So now, to me, I'm expecting the B to give us A, B, C, but not a must. That's why you see this white line. It's my main expectation that we get A, B, C before we now get the selling. Then this golden line also showed the second possibility. You might get a little pullback and it continues to go down. And with B will be short. It means that this with B have ended here. Okay. Maybe I should go down to 1 hour on this again. I didn't prefer to go to 1 hour this day, but I'll like to show you things the way it will be very clear to you. So now you can see 1 hour chart, how it looks. Okay, so you can get this as wave A of B. Then this wave B might make A, B, C. Okay, 3 waves already. It may just make a move like this, then stop somewhere here, then give us C. That is B of C. Okay, this is another free lesson again. Wave B is always a complex wave. Wave B, wave 2, wave 4, they are always complex. So why am I showing you this? That you can see a strong candle and you think it will continue to go down. You see it's going up again. And you may say, it's not going down. Then you see it's going down again. So just to prepare your mind for all this. Let's go to silver. Silver, let's see. Weekly. Let's go to daily. Silver don't have much to show us on weekly, so let's go to daily direct. So on daily again, silver seems to have completed 3 swing A, B, C, except it will extend. So let's take a look at 4 hours. So whatever is happening here is an extended wave C. The normal level for this wave C to end is between 23.2 and 22.5. Anything lower than this is an extension. And if I get a sharp move up that's close above this, then we may not see this drop again, at least until we get a 3 waves move. But we can now say, okay, it's dropping again. But for now, it's not time to sell silver unless we get a clear correction. If we don't get a clear correction, I will not sell silver. Okay. Platinum, anything on weekly? Let me check. Or we go to daily? Okay, so something on weekly. Platinum, like gold, seems as if it will still go very, very low. So platinum can come as low as 755 or even 640. Yeah, but no, this is a weekly chart. Let's see daily chart. Okay. On platinum, the structure is not that clear. So we need to wait for a clear structure before we can say anything on platinum. Let me also check 4 hours. No clear structure on platinum for now. No clear structure, but I can say this 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be 5, maybe A, B, C. Expanding flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe that's what it's trying to do. So we might get 1, 2, 3. Then this can be wave 4. So I even come to this level as wave 4. Then drop again and break this low. After that, we might get this big move up. For now, the structure is not that clear. So the best thing you do opportunity is to wait. If this move to this area becomes corrective, we can now sell from here and watch what happens. Okay, this level is a strong level. This level is a weekly and daily reversal target. It's 1.8 level. So once price breaks this, it may turn from this level. So that's what I can say on platinum. The chart is not, the structure is not that very clear to analyze. US oil. US oil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has made a very nice 5 waves. 1, 2, 3. Expanding flat, okay, running flat, 4 and 5. So after that, A, B, C. There's no two ways about it. So let me go to daily. Okay, this is A. This is with A, or with 1, then A, B, C. What I don't know yet is whether we will get this A, B, C to go higher before this drop we are expecting. So for this reason, to get a better view of the market, we need to go down to 4 hours. We need to go down to 4 hours to check. So 4 hours. Okay, last week, I remember I said that I will not, I prefer to sell oil than buy. And last week, I made the forecast that we are going to get this A, B, C. So gradually, it might be a reality. Secondly, during the midweek, I saw this possibility again, this A, B, C, D, E. triangle, then C. If that happens, this B will now come here. Then after that, we will get the cell we are looking for. So the cell might start from here. If this B becomes a triangle, that is, this is wave A. Wave B can be A, B, C, D. Okay, let me label it so that you see what I'm trying to say. So after this A, we can get A, B, C, D, E. Then another move will now from here and give us wave C of B. At that time, the B will be here. And from that place, we make this cell. You know, this is a forecast. So, but let me leave it like this. Let me not take away the labeling. Let me leave it. But once we see a reversal, this is my main idea. Once we see, maybe after we get little drop, it goes back again and come to this level, then forget about this triangle. So the triangle is the second option. Then third option, I have three options. One, we get this A, B, C to complete. Yeah? Then two, it may make a triangle before itself. Three, it may have ended here. That is the B. This B might have ended here. It's possible. So, and if that is the case, the dropping will continue, and maybe I may not sell the oil until it closes below this level. If this is the pattern that is played, I will not sell until it closes below this level. But once it's closed below this level, it can't give me this big B again. So that's another lesson you have learned today. Okay. The next is I think US 100, NASDAQ. NASDAQ of all instruments. NASDAQ is going down. You might get to 11,400 level, or even 10,000. Anyway, 11,000 areas where we are heading. That is, if the selling will continue. So this is weekly charts. Let's go to daily. Daily, wow. One, two, three, four, five. A very big wave A. Then this is wave B. You see what I told you about wave B? Wave B can be complex. Now this is labeled as wave B, but we can have a move like this again. Then it becomes a running flat, or what do you call it? Then this B will come to this level. But for now, what I'm expecting is this. I assume that this wave B is over because the speed is seems to be over. Now, it's either made a little pullback and continue, or it give us a nice setup, and that's ABC. If I see it from here, I will sell. But if it continues, I may not. Okay. This is the. Let's see 4 hours. So the NASDAQ is almost at a reversal zone. Almost at a reversal zone. It made a correction during the week and is dropping again. And the way it is moving, I don't think anything can stop it from going lower. I don't think anything can stop it from going lower. So, in my opinion, at least we're gonna come to this level. 12,400 is sure, or 11,800, 11,000, 12,000, 11,800, thereabout. Then after this, we must get a move again before it comes lower to 11,000 to 10,000. That is, if the correction will continue, it may end here and begin to go up. But if it continues, it will go to 11,400 and below. The next is US30. 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 I'm expecting this to happen, ABC to happen. So what do you have on daily? So it's making a double zigzag, as you can see, ABC, ABC again. Then we are heading lower. We are heading lower. Okay. We are heading lower. A little move up, we sell again. So the selling is obvious. So let's see 4 hours. The selling is obvious. Okay. After the little pullback during the week, the selling continues. Okay, no need to waste time here. Just you can see it's going down. Any pullback is an opportunity to join the sellers. If you didn't join here after this ABC, after this running flat, if you didn't join, then it's time to join. When you get don't jump in. If you get any good structure, that's where you join. In fact, this is one of the shortest markets I've seen today. Having broken this low, and to move again, to just go down. So there's a D500. There's a D500. Let's see weekly. Anything on weekly. The selling is strong. The selling is strong. Okay. Daily. The selling is equally strong. So just like US 30 and US 100. The selling is strong. 4 hours. So 4 hours, the target is between 3942, 3900, 3850, 3800. This is the target zone. Okay, so we are coming down here. Your ED. So let's see DAX. Okay, that structure is somehow funny. This falling is so sharp. Is it completed? Are we getting new low? I think that should be left alone for now. Okay, 4 hours makes some sense. So 4 hours makes sense on DAX. This seems to be with 1, and this is to be with 2. But one thing again, this assumed with 2 can come as low as 12,920. So I think DAX, if you are trying to trade DAX, that will be a stop loss. Then you find entry for sell. It will drop further. And that's much I can talk on DAX. Now, let me go to Bitcoin. Bitcoins have some things I want to share with you. And I will only focus on 4 hours on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I still maintain my stand that Bitcoin has made the current low itself to make. That is at 3,000 level. So I'm watching this structure to know when I will buy. Now, here seems to be a nice structure forming. That is what we call ending diagonal. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth wave is making an ending diagonal. So this is wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2. So wave 3 is forming. If you get this structure, 3, 4, 5, forget it, Bitcoin will begin to fly. Just save this chart. Save this chart. If you get this structure perfectly, this ending diagonal I anticipated, then once it broke out, Bitcoin will never go lower than this 6,900 level it is trying to go to. That's my opinion on Bitcoin. This chart is also on my Telegram channel. You can join and download the chart. I will upload it there. Okay, and that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, like, and make a comment. Join Telegram group. God bless you. Bye.